SERV Stock Tuesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So SERV Robotics been sitting at 12, just south of $12, and it's actually post marks relatively there, but 21% gains, crazy cool. I personally am just gonna, all I'm sticking to is a strategy that has previously delivered thousands of correct predictions, and I've documented everything with SERV Robotics. This was my bias, and since, I mean, I've stopped making videos for a while because it's been just consolidating. Started making new highs here recently, and I can clearly say it's BE is on. BE is already on, so risk-free opportunity. This has been called out, you see, from this prediction back then. This was called out a month ago, 27th of September, like literally a month and a day ago. So what can I do other than just wait, try and double down on the lower time frame? But this is not the risk that I'm willing to incur at the moment, though. If you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.